Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add your university to your profile in Consensus AI, for example, to provide the artificial intelligence with context and information in conversations with you. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Consensus AI. Let me return to the home section. So what you need to do, guys, is click into your username here at the bottom or in the bottom left, and from there navigate to Settings. From here, click into Preferences in the top left. And here, guys, you may click into the drop-down menu and go through the list of these universities and institutions. You may also search for it. So, I don't know, MIT or something. There you go, for instance, just for the sake of this tutorial. So, yeah, select it from that list, and that is going to be added to this contextual information, so that Consensus AI may use it as a context in conversations with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.